So in this video we will learn that what is cloud computing. So before answering this, let's look at a real-time scenario. So meet this young handsome guy, his name is Ben, and Ben loves to eat. Loves like anything. He's a very foodie guy, but at the same time he hates cooking. It doesn't stop here. Just like you and just like me, Ben is also quite smart. And whenever he feel hungry, he just call the nearby restaurant and order something to eat. And once the order is placed, it's just a matter of time when restaurant prepare the food and deliver it to Ben. The story is not yet completed. Let me tell you what is our concern in this scenario, which is actually happening behind the scene. So sitting at his home, Ben is actually using resources of other to fulfill his requirement. Ben is using restaurant for his food. And to prepare the food, you may know that restaurant has to maintain so many things. Like for preparing the food, they need a kitchen, and for kitchen, they actually need to maintain a building, or you can say that maintain an infrastructure. At the same time, they need to manage resources. Like for cooking the food, you need utensils and you need raw food, and also providing a menu so people can buy whatever they want. If you understand this, then you probably understand that what is cloud computing. No, I'm not joking. Seriously. Okay, so let's say at your home you are using your computer. And as we know, computer consists of few things like a monitor and CPU. And CPU itself consists of RAM, ROM and so many other computational things. What if you are playing a PC game and your CPU is lower in composition? Then you need to increase the capacity by parts or even by purchasing another CPU. After some time, if requirement increase, then again you need to buy a CPU, and this is a problem. And this problem can be solved by cloud or cloud computing or cloud provider. Again the question is that what is cloud or cloud computing or even cloud provider? So seeking this problem, just imagine that somewhere in your country there is a very big secure building, and this building contains so many servers, or what we can say CPUs. As you connect your CPU with a cable at your home, and similarly you can connect to cloud CPU with internet. So just come back to our story, and in a story at one end there was a guy named Ben, and at other end there was a restaurant. So just replace this Ben with yourself and replace the restaurant with cloud provider. Cloud providers such as Amazon having AWS, Google having Google Cloud, and Microsoft has Azure. So previously Ben was using restaurant for his food. Similarly, we can use cloud provider for computational services. And lastly, we will compare restaurant and cloud provider so you can wrap the things in your mind forever and ever. So restaurant has to maintain a building to prepare food. Similarly, cloud provider has to maintain a building for keeping its servers. Restaurant has to manage resources like utensils and raw food to prepare the food. Similarly, cloud provider has to manage resources like servers, machines, router and so many other things. Restaurant provide various options, that is a menu. Cloud provider have to provide different services and security. And lastly, restaurant provide food for money and cloud provider provides computational capacity for money. I hope that with this example you will never forget that what is cloud computing and what is a cloud provider. So thank you so much. See you soon.